We the Naga people, we don't recognize the new district creations.
There is not South Nagas, East Nagas, West Nagas. There is only one Naga.
To India and also to government of Myanmar, that the dreams and the aspirations of the Naga people is still alive, and the youth still have the burning desire that we will stand till the last man, no matter what.
The office of Senapati District Student Association believe that this small step or this small move will be a giant leap for the Nagas, particularly the Nagas of Senapati District. On this occasion, I would like to remind that we the Naga people, we don't recognize the new district creations, and we shall never. But verbally and in written, we always didn't accept the district and didn't accept the new political creation. But in practical, it's very hard for us to prove our presence and to prove our dominance. But we feel and we believe with this small move, we can set a precedence for the future and for our future generations. Once again, I wish happy Naga independence to each and everyone. Thank you.
This is the day that the Lord has made. Today, I want to convey, my dear brothers and sisters, that there is not South Nagas, East Nagas, West Nagas. There is only one Naga. Today we are gathered here because we call ourselves as Nagas. Because of our movements, we are together. Naga Student Federation never acknowledged the artificial boundaries that cross across two country, four states. But today, I want to congratulate especially our SDSA team for organizing this car rally across the Senapati district and across the Naga homeland. Today, I want to remind especially our leaders, especially our youths, that many of our forefathers, many of our leaders have given their life for the cause of what we are today. So I especially want our elders, especially our youth and students, to honor, respect what they have given their life for the cause of our movement. I'll not take much time, but I also want to convey, especially to our youth leaders, that our future depends on all of us. And I also want to say that Naga Student Federation will continue to pray for the dead and fight for the living. And I'm very true and I'm very hopeful that God is with us and we shall overcome. Thank you once again. Good night. Flag off this flag really across along Auckland.
Hả? Thằng lấy một cái này.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Dear brothers and sisters, respected elders, fellow comrades, beloved youth of our land, on this historic day, I bring warm greetings from the office of the Sipu Maram region, Maram Thangal, the government of the People's Republic of Nagaland. First of all, I thank God for this beautiful day. And secondly, the organizers of today's rally, SENAPATI District Students Association, for this historic day. Your rally is truly a memorable one. It will surely go down in the annals of our SENAPATI district history. Today, as we stand together under the banner of our national spirit to commemorate Naga Independence Day, which was declared on 1947. On this day, 78 years ago, our forefathers, with courage in their heart and clarity in their vision, proclaimed to the world that the Naga people are free to determine our own destiny, free to protect our land, and free to live by our values. This is not merely a political statement. It was a declaration of the soul of the people who have lived as a nation since time immemorial. Our great leaders of those years stood and proclaimed to the world that the Nagas are free, our land is ours, and our destiny is ours. This was not an empty cry. It was a truth rooted in centuries of self-governance, in the dignity of our customs, and in the courage of a people unwilling to be slaves of any foreign power. Nagas have been free and sovereign independent people from time immemorial. Ours is a case of aggression on Nagalim by India and Myanmar. Today, as we're gathered here, I would like to challenge the younger generation, especially the youth, the student leaders, that we inherit a legacy written both in sweat and in the blood of our forefathers. They fought not only with weapons but with unyielding conviction. They carried the truth of our identity at a time when the world was reshaping after the Second World War. Today we must honor those who stood firm, from the village elders who resisted colonial rule to the young men and women who have given their life for our Naga cause. We must also acknowledge the countless unsung heroes, mothers who raised children in hardship, teachers who taught under threat, and the youth leaders who kept the flame alive. Today, as we gather under the open sky, I would like to remind the youth of our nation that our elders were the ones who lit the flame of freedom. So it is you and I, the youth, who must keep it burning. The strength of a nation is not merely measured by the heights of the mountains or the richness of its soil, but the resolve of the youth. And I tell you today, the destiny of the Naga nation is in our hand. It is in your hand, and it is in my hand. It is in the hand of the youth. Some may say, or some might say, that what can a student do? Or what can a young person achieve? Or what can a youth do? But the history answers these questions loud and clear. Many revolutions, many movements, many changes begin with students who dare to dream and who dare to act. The world remembers them because they believed they could change. Naga people, as oppressed people living under the colonial government of India, I would like to challenge the youth to be inspired and be motivated by the martyrs like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, and all other young Indian revolutionary leaders who were killed, who were hanged, and who were executed by the British Empire for raising their voice against the occupational forces and also for taking up arms against the British Empire. I wish and pray that many such leaders be born among us as well, with whose sacrifice our future generations will remember the people of Senapati, and many years down the line, our future generation will say that such person, that uncle, that person was born here in the land of Senapati. You may read about freedom struggles in history books, say like India's, America's, Africa's, Asia's, or any nation. You must also know your own history, because if you don't know where you come from, you will not know where to go. If you forget your roots, the wind of the world will just sweep you away. Education is not just about passing exams and getting jobs. It is about building minds and building spirit. An educated Naga youth is someone who knows Naga history, respects Naga culture, and also uses knowledge to uplift Naga people. Comrades, my dear comrades, independence is not just a word, it is a responsibility. Today, as we commemorate, I ask you, will you be content with merely watching from sideline? Or will you step forward to serve your people? I would like to put it in a different way. Are you contented by being outside the system and judging the system? See, here we have so many things I would like to put across. Working from system and working from outside the system, we have equal responsibility. We have equal responsibility, but the Naga people, the Naga nation at the moment need educated youth, responsible youth to be in the system, to make a change and to send a loud and clear message to India and also to government of Myanmar that the dreams and the aspirations of the Naga people is still alive, and the youth still have the burning desire that we will stand till the last man, no matter what. I implore upon the youth of Senapati in particular and the Naga youth in general, let us join the movement that builds unity, not division. Let us use social media to share truth, not rumors. Let us organize community work to help the weak, to help the neglected, and also be the voice of the voiceless. Let us keep alive the songs, dance, and the stories of our ancestors. Let us unite across tribes, region, and differences. Remember, freedom is not preserved by speeches alone, but by action every single day. One day, surely someday, and that day is not that far, it's very soon, our elders will pass the torch to us with full authority. When that day comes, may it not find us unprepared. Let the world look at the Nagas and see a people united, proud, and ready to write their own destiny. Today, as we wave our flags and sing our songs, we must remember that Independence Day is not just about our past. It is a challenge to our present and a promise for our future. And in the future, we, the youth, are the ultimate honors. Do not let comfort give you contentment. We may have smartphones in our pockets, but what use are they if we do not have the courage in our heart to tell the Naga story to the world? We may act to know the truth, but what good it is if we cannot speak truth boldly. The world is changing faster than ever, and if we are not prepared, the tide will wash our identity. Our language, our culture, our land are not relics of the past. They are the lifeline of our people. Let us protect our identity like each of us would protect our own family. Today, I would like to ask 3 questions, and I want the response from the crowd. Will you stand united as one people? Will you stand united as one people? Yes. Will you guard the truth of our nation? Yes. Will you keep the fire of independence burning? Yes. Then let us shout so the mountains echo and the world remember us. Let us shout Kuknalim 3 times. Kuknalim! 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 As we shout Kuknalim today, let it not just be a word, but a vow that will live with courage, work with honesty, and never let the flame of freedom die. Today, I would also like to request you to follow me and say, we the Nagas, are also people, and our rights cannot be denied. In conclusion, I would like to quote the speech of Mr. Teach Muiva, General Secretary, NSCN. Quote, "Countrymen, in keeping with the spirit of Nagalim Independence Day commemoration hoisting our national flag, we must take the stand in our hearts to have the courage to maintain freedom in the mind, faith in the words, and pride in our hearts, and honor of our Creator God." Unquote. May God bless Senapati District Students Association. May God bless the people of Senapati. May God bless Naga youth. And of all, may God bless Naga nation. Kuknalim.
Give to us to master our heritage so rich. Let this forever be ours. Sing our song together. Nagas, come, raise your voices. Sing our song together, towards our rightful place true, healing of the spirit, Kuknalim.